Writing on wall for Mnangagwa, war veteran Geza declares. The 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, outspoken war veteran blessed Geza has issued a dramatic warning to President Emmerson Mnangagwa, declaring that growing attacks on war veterans and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga signal a crisis inside ZANU-PF that can no longer be ignored. Speaking to supporters on Friday evening, Geza accused Mnangagwa loyalists of betraying the liberation legacy and warned that war veterans are mobilizing ahead of the ZANU-PF National People's Conference. Geza did not mince his words, directly naming senior party figures accused of fronting attacks on Chiwenga. The gluttony must end now. We will be at the conference, and to those who have been used, like Garwi, Mavitara, Muswer, CHAMISA, and ZVAITWA, we will meet you in the boardroom. We want to know, where did you get the authority to attack the vice president? General Constantino Chiwenga, a man who sacrificed his life for the country and for President Mnangagwa. He also accused ministers of corruption and looting, saying inflated tenders in the transport, health, and tourism ministries were draining national resources, while Geza stressed that Chiwenga himself has said he does not want bloodshed. He hinted that war veterans may take matters into their own hands if attacks continue. General Chiwenga, you said you don't want bloodshed. That's fine. However, if things continue like this, we are going to take action soon. We will not say what form of action we are taking. The remarks drew loud applause from his audience, signaling growing impatience among war veterans who view themselves as custodians of the liberation legacy. Praise for Chiwenga. Geza described Chiwenga as one of the few surviving members of the High Command still standing firm. General Chiwenga remains one of the few surviving members of the High Command. We salute those who have stood firm and remained loyal. By tying Chiwenga's legacy to the liberation struggle, Geza positioned him as a rallying point for those frustrated with Mnangagwa's leadership. Mnangagwa will not finish his term. Geza's harshest warning, however, was directed at Mnangagwa himself. Fellow Zimbabweans, make no mistake, Mnangagwa will not finish his term. A lot is happening behind the scenes. The wheels of change are turning. The people of Zimbabwe are saying, enough is enough to looting.